Hey Feed community, it's Kevin here, and today we are with our friends California Walnuts, and we're going to be making some awesome walnut and cauliflower taco bowls. So what we love about this recipe is that it's super easy for a weeknight, it's vegetarian, and it comes together really quick. So we're gonna show you how. So what we've added to the food processor is 3 cups of walnuts. We've got some cauliflower already in there, along with some chili powder, some cumin, salt, and chipotle peppers in adobo. So now we're gonna give it a quick whirl. All right, so we have put this onto a baking sheet, and we're gonna put it into a 375-degree oven, and then we're gonna come back to it in a little bit and mix it halfway through. All right, so this has been in for about a half an hour, and we've mixed it halfway through, and what we have now is some really beautiful walnut taco meat. All right, so our walnut taco meat has come out of the oven, and we've assembled this really great station here. So everybody can make their own bowl. You start with rice, you add some of the walnut taco meat, and then whatever toppings you want. So we have some guac, some beans, some tomatoes, some cilantro. So thanks for following along as we've made this recipe today by Pinch of Yum with California Walnuts. Swipe up to find out how you can make this at home. Talk to you soon.